Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet some shorts for the bunny. Okay, so all you're going to need is some cotton yarn in any color, a pair of scissors, a 3.5mm hook, a yarn needle and a hair tie. To start, we want to make a slip knot. Chain 15. And then you want to connect the two ends to make a loop. So you put your hook into the first chain that you made. Okay, make sure it's not twisted. And make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Next we're going to go back into the same chain that we slip stitched into, and we're going to make a single crochet, and then you want to make one single crochet in each chain all the way back to the start. So you should have 15. Okay, for the next 2 rows you want to do the exact same thing. So slip stitch into the first single crochet that you made, so not into the slip stitch or the chain, but into the single crochet. Make your slip stitch, chain 1, one single crochet in the stitch that you slip stitched into, and then one single crochet in each stitch all the way back to the start. So you should still have 15, and you want to do that for 2 rows. Okay, and the same again for the next row. Slip stitch into the first single crochet that you made, chain 1, single crochet into the one that you slip stitched into, and 1 single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the start. Okay, to end the row, slip stitch into the first single crochet that you made. Okay. So you want to make 2 of these. These are the little leg holes. So your first one you want to make and then hide the tails, and the second one you want to leave attached. Okay, to join the 2 legs together, chain 2, and then insert your hook just above all the slip stitches, and then you want to single crochet 16 around, so there's 15 stitches plus the slip stitch. Okay, once you've gone around the first leg, then you want to put 2 single crochets in the back of this chain 2. Okay, and then single crochet around this one. Okay, so after that row you should have 34 stitches around. And the next row, you want to put 2 single crochets in the front of this chain 2. And then you want to single crochet all the way around back to the stitch marker. Okay, once you've single crocheted all the way around, you should have 36 at the end of this row because you added 2 in the front. Next, you just want to single crochet around for 6 rows. Yeah, 6 rows. Okay, so place a stitch marker. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for 6 rows. Okay, and then I'll come back and show you how to finish it. Okay, here's how my shorts look after 6 rows. For the next row, chain 1, and then take your hair tie, put it in the center, and then you just want to do 1 row of single crochet around, and you need to include the hair tie, so go through the stitch and then under the hair tie, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Okay, so just do that in each stitch. And the hair tie will just help to keep the shorts up so they won't keep falling down. Okay, and then you just want to slip stitch into the first single crochet. Cut your yarn, and then I would have this bit at the back, and you need to hide the tails. Okay, the only other thing you could do is you could make a couple of chains to go over the shoulders for some dungaree shorts. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.